Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best digital camera accessories is probably one of the most exciting areas to explore for any photography enthusiast. From enhancing image quality to simplifying your workflow, the right accessories can significantly elevate your photography game. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, understanding the various options available is key to unlocking your camera's full potential and capturing stunning visuals. Number 5. SanDisk 128GB Extreme Pro SDXC UHS-I card. This is the SanDisk 128GB Extreme Pro SDXC UHS-I card. However, this version has been discontinued by the manufacturer. It was a reliable storage solution. It offered shot speeds up to 90 MB/s and transfer speeds up to 170 MB/s, provided you had a compatible device. This allowed for quick file transfers and efficient workflow. This card was perfect for shooting 4K UHD video and sequential burst mode photography. It supported full HD and 4K UHD video, though performance could vary depending on the device. It featured UHS Speed Class 3, U3, and Video Speed Class 30, V30, for uninterrupted video recording. This ensured smooth and reliable performance during video capture. The card was built to withstand harsh conditions. It was temperature-proof, waterproof, shock-proof, and X-ray-proof, making it a durable choice for various environments. What we like. This card offers incredibly fast read and write speeds, perfect for capturing high-resolution photos and videos. If you're a content creator who needs to record 4K UHD video or shoot in burst mode, this card will ensure you don't miss a moment. Its rugged design also means that it can withstand harsh conditions, making it a great choice for adventurous photographers. What people say. With a spacious 128GB capacity, this SD card provides ample storage space for your high-resolution photos and 4K UHD videos. This card is rated as a UHS-I Class 10, U3, and V30 card, which signifies its high data transfer speeds and ability to handle 4K UHD video recording. The SDXC format ensures broad compatibility with a wide range of cameras, including DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and camcorders. Number 4. AbergBest camera case for various digital cameras. This case offers ample space for your digital camera, charger, and USB cable. It's designed to meet all your storage needs, keeping everything organized and in one place. Made with soft PU leather and hard EVA, this case provides full protection. It's perfect for both indoor storage and outdoor adventures, being portable, anti-fall, and stain-resistant. The soft fabric and anti-shock bubble layers inside prevent damage from bumps and falls. This design protects your camera from scratches, ensuring it stays secure within the compact interior. This case is great for storing your camera at home, and the hand strap makes it easy to carry. You can also put it in your bag or backpack, making it convenient for any outing. This case makes a great gift. Its stylish design makes it stand out. Please note that this sale is for the case only, the camera and accessories are not included. What we like. This carrying case provides simple and comprehensive storage for your digital camera and accessories. It's lightweight yet offers excellent protection against bumps and scratches. If you're looking for a convenient way to protect your camera while traveling or simply storing it at home, this case is a great option. It's also a stylish and elegant gift. What people say. It protects my digital camera so well. And has a little space for me to put other items like SD cards, etc. Fits the Canon PowerShot V10 well as described. Foam insert secures camera well. Has some extra room for small accessories if I wanted to store some. This case was the perfect size for my son's vintage digital camera. It fits the camera snugly, and there's room for the charger and cord. Solid case too, will do well protecting the camera. Number 3. Altura Photo Cleaning Kit. This cleaning kit from Altura Photo is designed to keep your camera and electronics in top condition. It includes everything you need to remove dust, smudges, and fingerprints, ensuring your equipment always performs at its best. The kit comes with a lens cleaner, cleaning pen, brush, air blower, cleaning tissues, and microfiber cloths. This comprehensive set provides a complete solution for all your cleaning needs, from lenses to LCD screens. The Altura Photo Lens Cleaner is alcohol-free, ammonia-free, and odor-free, making it safe for all types of lenses and electronics. It effectively removes dirt without damaging delicate surfaces. Whether you have a DSLR or other electronic devices, this kit is compatible with all brands and models. It's the perfect accessory for any photographer or tech enthusiast. Included are premium magic fiber microfiber cloths, which are extra large and designed to gently lift away dirt and grime. They are perfect for polishing your lenses and screens to a pristine finish. What we like. This cleaning kit provides everything you need to keep your lenses and camera sensor spotless. The alcohol-free cleaner is safe for all types of lenses. If you want to ensure your photos are always crystal clear and your equipment is well maintained, this kit is a must-have. It's a simple and effective way to extend the life of your camera. What people say. The kit has all the products you need to keep your cameras clean. Clean my projector lens real well. Does exactly what it claims to. The air blower is perfect for gentle removal of dust from delicate sensors and lenses. It's powerful enough to dislodge debris without any contact, which is essential for camera safety. The included lens cleaning pen is a lifesaver, with a soft brush on one end to remove dust and a non-liquid cleaning element on the other end to remove fingerprints and smudges without residue. Number 2. Altura Photo Camera Hand Strap. Are you tired of the fear of dropping your camera? This hand strap provides a secure grip, preventing accidental slips. It keeps your camera safe from disastrous drops. The strap is adjustable to fit hands of all sizes. Made of premium PU leather, it's designed for comfort and durability. It easily snaps onto your camera. This strap is compatible with any DSLR camera. It works with a standard 1/4 tripod screw mount. It's a versatile accessory for your camera. It's compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS Rebel cameras. This includes models like the T8i, T7i, and many more. This strap is a great addition to your Canon camera accessories. The strap is also compatible with Sony Alpha cameras. This includes models like the A6000, A6400, and others. It's a perfect fit for your Sony camera. It's also compatible with Nikon cameras. This includes models like the D3500, D5600, and others. This strap is a great accessory for your Nikon camera. What we like. This hand strap provides a secure and comfortable grip, preventing accidental drops. It's adjustable to fit all hand sizes and compatible with a wide range of DSLR and mirrorless cameras. If you like to have more control and stability when shooting, especially during fast-paced situations, this strap will give you peace of mind. What people say. It fits comfortably around my hand and wrist, so I'm not stressing about accidentally dropping my gear, especially when I'm moving around trying to get the right angle. The PU leather looks great and feels solid, definitely not flimsy. Adjusting it was simple, and it works well whether I'm shooting handheld or switching over to my tripod. Number 1. Altura Photo Camera Accessories Kit. This is the Altura Photo Accessories Kit, a comprehensive set designed to enhance your photography experience. It includes essential accessories for both DSLR and mirrorless cameras, making it a perfect choice for photographers of all levels. The kit features a mini tripod with a pistol grip for stable shots, a rapid-fire wrist strap for secure handling, and a hard shell case for protection. Also included is a cleaning kit and microfiber lens pouches. This kit is great for Canon cameras, including the M50 and Rebel series. It's also compatible with various other Canon models, ensuring that it meets your needs. It's also a great Nikon D3500 accessories. The kit is compatible with a wide range of Nikon DSLR and mirrorless cameras, offering versatility for Nikon users. The kit is also great for Sony A6000 and A7 III series. It's designed to work with numerous Sony cameras, providing a complete solution for Sony photographers. What we like. This bundle includes a mini tripod, wrist strap, and cleaning kit, offering a complete set of accessories for your camera. It's compatible with Canon, Nikon, and Sony cameras. If you're looking to upgrade your photography setup with essential accessories, this kit provides great value and versatility. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. What people say. Came with a lot of great accessories to get started in photography. ESP love the wrist strap and handle tripod for stabilization and the microfiber lens bags. I saw the tripod on this cleaning kit while looking for a cleaning kit for my DSLR. I loved the design and wouldn't seem to find another on Amazon that matched it. So I bought this cleaning kit for that tripod and it's really great. I use it all the time. I almost always have it attached to my camera to use as a handle and on-the-go tripod. For its price, this is a very great package. I am most amazed by the tripod itself. I not only use it to display my camera but also to stabilize my Sony a7 III while shooting stills, sports photography, and even videography. The wrist holder is a nice add-on, but I love the different lens protector casings. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.